I came to university straight from school after my A-levels. I didn't really know what I wanted to do, but I did know a few things. I didn't want to be stuck in an office. I wanted to be able to get out and about and to see and do things. I wanted to work with all sorts of different people and in teams where you work together on interesting projects. I wanted to be involved in projects that actually delivered something tangible, not just a number or a report. Network75 is a fantastic scheme involving a combined work placement and part-time study route where students work, earn and learn. Network75 students end up with a degree, 5 years work experience and no student debt, as your employer pays your tuition fees and an annual bursary. We at NHS Specialist Estate Services have used Network75 for engineering students with tremendous success, and we intend to take a Network75 student from the first year of the real estate course and then every other year thereafter. Our intention would be that you would remain with the property team at Specialist Estates after graduating, where you would undergo an intensive 18-month training programme to prepare you for sitting the RICS Assessment of Professional Competence and becoming a Chartered Surveyor, whereupon you would become a permanent Chartered Surveyor in the NHS Specialist Estates property team.